Four-wheel drive, baby. Yeah, yeah. I ain't opening the window this time. Fuck yeah. It's fucking brick. Oh, shit. Look at the taxi. He gave up. Yo, how they passing the van taxi like nothing? Everybody else. Oh, shit. Drifting. Mira este, mira este. Yo, you my nigga, son. Oh, shit. Rough Riders. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Get him. Yeah, yeah. Drifting. Drifting 101. I'm gonna teach you how to drift right now. First of all, y'all niggas going too slow. Second, there is no way in God hell you gonna fucking pass this blizzard. Look at the fucking van. That shit is still all the way down there. Yo, you thinking if I go down there and I tell him, can I try? Can you let me try it? They fucking young and reckless. I'll fucking woody that shit. Oh, he gave up. Look, he went all the way back to fucking that ass. That's it. That's done.